Most e-commerce beginners fail because they rely on guesswork. They pick a product they personally like, then waste months obsessing over logo colors and page layouts, hoping someone will eventually buy. We resolve that chaos using a data-driven strategy. Combining market analysis with AI automation filters the noise, letting us launch with a clear objective. Over the next few minutes, we will locate a hidden, high-revenue product and use artificial intelligence to build a fully branded storefront. This process requires rigorous analysis. To see results, you must treat this as a technical business framework, rather than a shortcut to wealth. In modern e-commerce, the advantage goes to those who prioritize data and execution speed. Managing these two factors reduces the influence of external variables on your success. The first step is identifying high-growth, low-competition niches. We are looking specifically for products that address clear consumer pain points. Beginners often look at bestseller lists, but that usually leads to saturated markets where the competition is already too established to displace. We focus on trend velocity. By watching the new releases and movers and shakers lists, we can identify products that are just beginning an accelerating trend. The mathematical signature of a winner is a sharp spike in sales rank while the review count remains low. This indicates high demand that the market hasn't fully met yet. Once you find a spiking product, you must qualify it. Ask yourself, what specific, urgent problem does this solve for the buyer? Target categories with high emotional stakes. Examples include posture correctors, targeted skincare routines, or sleep improvement products. Finding these problem-solving products before they reach the mainstream is how you secure an advantage in the market. After selecting a category, we verify profitability by analyzing what competitors are actually spending on social media ads. Avoid the default filters in your ad intelligence tools. Most people search for the same low-spend ranges, which only shows you saturated products everyone else is already trying to sell. Instead, set a highly specific custom minimum spend, like $1,111, and target European regions. This bypasses the mainstream data most competitors are using. If a competitor is spending thousands of dollars daily in an unsaturated region, it confirms the product is currently generating a return. Now, we need to elevate the product's perceived value. This prevents customers from simply comparing your price to the cheapest option on a marketplace. We do this by building a bundle. Combine the primary product with a free digital guide and a low-cost complementary item to increase the total utility for the customer. This bundling strategy focuses the buyer's attention on the total outcome. By providing a complete solution, you justify a higher price point and expand your profit margins. You win by taking a trending product and wrapping it in an offer that competitors cannot easily match. The design phase is where most momentum dies. Beginners often spend weeks or months tweaking logos and layouts before they ever make a sale. Use an AI store builder to bypass this manual work. It generates a high-converting storefront instantly, allowing you to move directly to testing. The workflow is simple. You paste the raw product link from your supplier directly into the AI engine. The AI then builds the branded layout, writes the sales copy, and sets up the necessary upsell applications. Using one integrated AI tool for bundles and cart upsells also removes the need for multiple expensive monthly subscriptions. AI execution minimizes the time you spend between identifying a product and testing it in the live market. Once the store is live, the next step is market validation. We use targeted social media ads to put the offer in front of a real audience. Your objective on day one is to collect market data. We are looking for proof that the audience responds to the offer, not immediate wealth. It is vital that you do not copy the exact product used as an example in this video. Blindly mimicking a public example is a fast way to fail. The value is in the framework itself. Find the data, build the offer, and use AI to deploy and test. You now have the system required to launch and validate brands. Use this data-driven approach and begin your first market test today.